Lockheed Martin's Skunk Works division has unveiled concept art for a stealthy aerial refueling tanker, designed to enhance the U.S. Air Force's capabilities in contested airspace. This innovative tanker, known as the Next Generation Aerial Refueling System, NGARS, is part of the KCZ program, aimed at developing a tanker that can refuel stealth fighters and bombers such as the F-35 Lightning II and B-21 Raider without being detected. The need for such a tanker is driven by the development of new long-range air-to-air missiles by Russia and China, which pose significant threats to current non-stealthy tankers. The Skunk Works design features a blended wing/body configuration that eliminates the flat vertical surfaces of traditional airliner fuselages, along with air intakes molded into the aircraft's sides and canted vertical stabilizers. This stealthy design reduces the radar signature, making it harder for enemy forces to detect and target. Additionally, NGARS is equipped with an onboard kinetic defense system, potentially including short-range air-to-air missiles or laser weapons, to intercept incoming threats. This marks the first time since World War II that an aerial refueling tanker would be armed for self-defense. Furthermore, NGARS may be escorted by unmanned fighter-like aircraft known as collaborative combat aircraft, which carry their own air-to-air missiles. This combination enhances the tanker's survivability and ensures the continued operational reach of U.S. and allied aircraft. The Air Force currently operates a fleet of over 450 aerial refueling tankers, including KC-135 Stratotankers, KC-10 Extenders, and KC-46 Pegasus tankers. However, many of these tankers are aging, with the KC-135s dating back to the 1960s and KC-10s to the 1980s. The introduction of NGARS represents a significant step towards modernizing the Air Force's tanker fleet, ensuring that U.S. and allied forces can maintain air superiority and operational flexibility. By enabling aircraft to fly farther and remain aloft longer, NGARS will play a crucial role in future military operations, keeping combat aircraft fueled and mission-ready at the front lines.